Hey everyone, it is Norm here from IM Cars, and today is a very exciting day, as you guys can see, which we are going to head up to the dealership and pick something up. But first, I wanted to give you guys just a quick showroom tour because I haven't given you guys one in a while. We'll just give you a quick walkthrough. We've got this cool Tesla Model X over here. Haven't had one of those in a while. Super fun. Got our C63 sold and being delivered. Got this 17 Panamera Turbo. Got this 05 Porsche Boxster. This really nice white on red Maserati Gran Turismo. This is a stunning spec car. That is really nice. Got our GTR 09 that over there that is sold. We have this really sharp speed yellow Porsche 911 convertible. And on the other side of it, we've got the Miami Blue 2017 911 convertible. Coming in the summer for those. We've got the Maserati Ghibli, the Ferrari 575 Maranello, the 16 Nissan GTR, this little Mercedes CLA that is sold and going delivered next week. And we've got the Boxster GTS 2018 718, super nice car. Weather's nice, so maybe you're gonna be driving that for a bit. But let's head outside and I will tell you guys what is going on today. All right, so today is a monumental day, a day that nobody knows about. This is a complete surprise to absolutely everybody. I have told nobody that this is taking place. Today is the day that I am officially a Bugatti owner. That is crazy to say. So let's fire up this GLE and head off to Bugatti of Calgary to take delivery. Turn that off. To take delivery of my new Bugatti. Let's go. And here we are, just coming up to Grand Touring Calgary, the Lamborghini dealer, Rolls-Royce, Koenigsegg, I think Rimac, and of course Bugatti. We've got some really nice cars in the showroom. They've got the matte green STO, the orange Performante, the matte red Performante, an orange Urus. That looks really sharp. And then just coming around the corner, when we come around, they've got a orangey, I don't even know what the right color is, but dark orange Lamborghini Sion, which we actually saw at Cars and Coffee sometime last year. I think it was there twice. So they've got that on display there. I think it was like $5 million. Yeah, there is the Lamborghini Sion right there. There it is, Grand Touring Automobiles, Pininfarina, Bugatti, Koenigsegg, Lambo, Lotus, Rimac, and Rolls-Royce motor cars.
20 minutes later.
We are back from Bugatti Calgary, and I just got way too excited to film up there. So we have the Bugatti in the showroom, and we were planning this big, masterful reveal somehow. But we're just gonna show it to you right here. This is my new Bugatti. Yes, this is OEM. This is not an aftermarket. This is straight from the dealer, OEM Bugatti. Some quick specs about this. This scooter has 600 watts, 3 speeds, dual brakes, front and rear lights. They light up here. Show you this thing has a top speed of 18 miles per hour, which is actually pretty fast. So you think you hit that. And that is on, so you've got the illuminated EB, Ettore Bugatti. Working brake light, working side lights, got working turn signals. You've got a front LED. And yeah, this is my new Bugatti. I think we'll take it for a little test drive in the showroom. Show you guys what this thing can do. I'd say it handles just like a real Bugatti. Better not crash. This thing gets moving. Look at that. So that is a little bit of fun. It is a Bugatti. I hope it's not, it wasn't a little bit too clickbaity, but this is a Bugatti from the Bugatti dealer. Turn off my turn signal there. And yeah, this thing's actually pretty sick. I'm not an electric scooter kind of guy, but big fan of it so far. All right, so now that you guys have seen my new Bugatti, I thought I'd give you guys a little bit of a unboxing just so you guys can check this out. So this is the box that the Bugatti comes in, and just like the real car, they give you this little ownership box. Scoot this out here. Oh, breaking it. So inside this box, it says, a work of art created and engineered to deliver a new wave in mobility in a transit revolution. Here you can see the Bugatti electric scooter manual, just giving you all the safety tips, how to charge it, all that sort of stuff. And this thing is, I just want to remind you, this is OEM Bugatti. This is sold at the dealer. You can see large LED visible screen, trip mileage, speed mode, battery life, dual turn signals, headlights, weight capacity up to 242 pounds, and you can go 18.6 miles per hour. This is thank you for your purchase. Here's a little adjustment tool if you want to disassemble or reassemble your scooter. And right here, the Bugatti Authenticity Certificate card. I feel like I should start carrying this around so I can say, yes, I am a Bugatti owner. So that is the little box that comes with your Bugatti electric scooter. Thought you guys would want to see that. So now that you guys have seen my new Bugatti, and I've officially taken the opportunity to say that I am a Bugatti owner at 30 years old, I'd like to know, what would you guys like to see done with this scooter? I'd like to know, you know, we do channel giveaways here. Do you guys want to see me give this away to somebody? Do you want to see me do like a little review on it where I actually drive it around and give you guys my honest opinion of it? Comment down below. Tell me what you think we should do with this. Personally, I think a giveaway is in order. I love giving away stuff to you guys for subscribing, but this would have to be a big one because this is not Flames tickets. This is an OEM Bugatti. So comment down below. Tell me what you would like to see done with this Bugatti. And of course, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.